So we'll put the answer of 16 over 63 right there and here, 16 over 63. And we can work problem number 5, excuse me, right on the paper. So 16 over 63 times 9/10. Lots of simplifying we can do. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 63 divided by 9 is 7. 16 and 10 are both divisible by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 10 divided by 2 is 5, which will give us 8 times 1 is 8. 7 times 5 is 35. And that's our final answer, 8 over 35. Let's roll our paper down. And we'll put the 8 over 35 right there. And looks like we have 3 fractions to multiply together for number 6. So let's go ahead and get some fresh paper for that. And this is number 6, which is 1/4 times 8 over 35 times 7, and we will go ahead and put that 7 over 1. I'm going to start with the first 2 numbers, 1/4 times 8 over 35. And because I can simplify, 4 divided by 4 is 1, 8 divided by 4 is 2, which will give me, we call that an interim answer of 2 over 35. Now I'm going to take 2 over 35, multiply it by 7. 7, getting ready to simplify, divided by 7 is 1. 35 divided by 7 is 5. So when I multiply across, my final answer is 2/5. And let's work number 7 right on our paper. 2/5 times 3/4. And again, I can simplify. 5 and 3 cannot be simplified, but 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. 5 times 2 is 10. And that's our final answer, 3/10. And we have to put that here as well. So for number 8, we're definitely going to have to use our scratch paper because we're multiplying 4 numbers together. So that would be 2/9 times 3/10 times 5, which I will go ahead and put that over 1, times 3/4. So let's take a look at what is going to be an easy way to do this. I'm going to go ahead and use these first 2 numbers, 2/9 times 3/10, because I can certainly cross simplify. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. When I multiply across, I have 1/15. So now I'm going to take that 1/15 and multiply it by 5 over 1. And when I simplify, 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Multiplying across, our answer is 1/3. So I took care of the first, the second, and the third fraction. Now I have to multiply 1/3 times 3/4. And I see I can make this easy peasy. 3 divided by 3 is 1 in both cases for a final answer of 1/4. So let's put that on our paper. And now we're up to number 9, 6/7 times 1/4 times 1/2. And I think I will start with the first 2. So 6 over 7 times 1/4. And I'll divide those both by 2, the 6 and the 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And so far I have an answer of 3/14. Now I'm going to take that 3/14 and multiply it by 1/2. And that will give me, I cannot simplify, 3 times 1 is 3, 14 times 2 is 28. Final answer of 3/28. And now what's left is to multiply 4/5 times 3/28 times 7/9 to see if we get 1/15. So let's get some fresh paper and do that. So 4/5 times 3/28 times 7/9. And I think we're going to do the second two numbers first. Multiplication is commutative. Order does not matter. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 7 divided by 7 is 1. And 28 divided by 7 is 4, which gives me 1/12. 4 times 3 is 12. Now I have to take care of the 4/5. 1/12 times 4/5. And I can simplify. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 3 is 15. And our answer absolutely checks. So now you've multiplied up to 4 factors together. And we did it choosing ones that will cross-simplify the best to make our work easier, which leads us to our exit ticket. When multiplying more than one fraction, the order I work them in is not important because multiplication is commutative, which means order does not matter. And that's an important concept in mathematics. Thank you for your hard work. I think you're doing a great job. Keep up the good work, finish all your assignments, take your quizzes on Wednesdays, and remember, as always, with practice, you'll be great.